You can use the Christmas cards you were given as contact pictures in your phone. Smart idea, right? Put wires into the limbs of your creepy elf on the shelf to make it easier to bend. Old saran wrap or aluminum holders can make great boxes for baked goods. You can use a cardboard box as the recycling box on Christmas Day. Please reduce, reuse, and recycle. To keep falling pieces of pines fresh, you can put wet paper towels around them and then put them in a plastic bag. And you can use waste baskets and wine crates to hold wrapping paper. To make stringing the lights outside easier, use a glue gun to fasten lights onto bricks outside. You can use double-sided tape to make your wrapping job look more professional. Turn an old chips bag inside out and wash it thoroughly to use as a gift bag this Christmas. Use fortune cookies on champagne glasses to make a great start to the new year. Did you know there's a free shipping day in December? Take advantage of that. To keep your lights from tangling, wrap them individually around coat hangers. I'm definitely going to try this. Before leaving for vacation, place a coin on a mug of ice in your freezer. When you come back, if the coin froze inside of the mug, your freezer turned off for some time and you should throw away the bad food. Thank you so much for watching. This is Minimymo, signing off. Bye!